Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So let's start today's class. Today we are doing level 2 fraction problems. So let's see. First problem, Jack saved half of his pocket money and 3/5 of the remainder on his shirt. If he had $18 left, how much was his pocket money? Whatever his pocket money, he is saving half of the pocket money. So this is here his pocket money, is saving half of the amount. So remaining half, what he's doing, so 3/5 of the remainder on his shirt means remaining half is divided into 5 equal units. In that 3 units he's spending on shirt and he's left with the $18. So in terms of units, how many units he left? So that is among 5 units, 3 units used for the shirt and the 2 units are left. So 2 units is equal to the leftover money, which is $18. So this is for shirt, and the leftover units, that is 2 units, is equal to $18. If 2 units is $18, what's the value of 1 unit? If we get 1 unit value, then we will know, so this 5 units value. So here if we are dividing into 5 units this half, so the next half also you should divide same equal partitions 5 units. So together 10 units. So first find what is 1 unit value. So 2 units is equal to $18, then 1 unit is equal to $9. If 1 unit is $9, so all we have like 10 units. His total pocket money is divided into 10 units. Then 10 units is equal to how much? 10 units is equal to $90. 9 times 10, which is equal to $90. So his total money is equal to $90. Let's cross verify our answer. So whenever we are dividing into units, all has to be same. Okay, so that's why here when we're dividing this one as like 5 units, so the leftover amount also we are dividing it as 5 units. Okay, so together 5 plus 5, 10 units. So in that they spend 3 units on shirt, means which is $27, and left with the $18. So if we add together, one half value is $45. If the one half is 45, then the other half also 45, so which is equal to $90. That's his pocket money. Okay, so let's see next example. Let's see next example. The mass of a sack of onions was 12 kg. It was packed into 10 small and some large packets. The mass of each small packet was 2/5 kg and the mass of each large packet was 6/7 kg. How many large packets are there? Next, second question, we'll find the mass of the remaining onions. So here the total weight of the onion bag is 12 kg. Okay, so there are 10 small and few large packets. He didn't mention any large packets quantity. Each small packet was 2/5 kg, means each one. Then 10 packets weight is 10 times 2/5 kg, which is 20/5 kg. Total mass of the small packet is 4 kg. Okay, 20/5 means 4 kg. And total weight of the large packet, overall weight is 12 kg. 12 minus this small packet's weight, which is 4 kg. Then the mass of the large packets was 8 kg, because 12 minus 4, which is 8 kg. Now we got both the weights, small and large, 4 and 8. So how many large packets are there? So we will consider total weight over each size of the large packet. The mass of the large packet was 8 kg. Okay, and each large packet weight was 6/7 kg. If we divide these two, then we will get the number of large packets. Once again I am repeating here what we did. So we have total weight of the bag, which is 12 kg. So among that we have 10 small packets of onions and few large packets. So if you subtract total minus this 10 value, 10 small onion mass, then you will get the remaining value. Here, to get the number of large packets, we need to divide mass of the large packets over each packet weight. So which is equal to 56/6. But he is asking in terms of numbers, so we need to convert it into mixed number. So how many times? 6 9s are 54, and remainder is the 2. So or else you can do like step by step. Here 3 table 28 times and 3 times, then again 3 table 9 times 1/3. Yes, 9 plus 1/3. There are 10 large packets, 9 large packets are there. Okay, and the remaining packet is in the form of fraction, which is 1/3. Find the mass of the remaining onion. So now we know the remaining part of the weight of the bag. So but we need to find out the mass, so which is each packet size is 6/7. Then we need to divide this portion with the 6/7. So now we got 2/7 kg. That's our answer. How we did this one? The first step, we need to find out the mass of the large packets. How we got? So total minus short, 10 small packets. Then we got large packets. Okay, so after that, whatever we want, that one divided by each packet size, then we will get the number of large packets. Then how to get the remaining mass of the onion? So just here, whatever the packet number of packets are there, that we need to consider it as fraction, and then we have to multiply the each packet size. Then we will get the mass of the leftover bag. So that's it for today. I hope you understand all the problems. If you have any queries, do let me know in the comment box. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Don't forget, age is a just number. Happy learning.